I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel from condensed milk quickly. First, gather your ingredients. Just 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You'll also need a pressure cooker or a baking dish and foil for the oven method. We'll cover 2 efficient techniques to transform this simple ingredient into a luscious, golden caramel. Get ready to create a versatile treat in under an hour, perfect for desserts or toppings. For the pressure cooker method, begin by removing the label from your sealed can of sweetened condensed milk. Place the can upright in your pressure cooker. Add enough water to completely submerge the can by at least 1 inch. Cook on high pressure for 35 to 40 minutes for a rich, dark caramel. Once done, let the pressure release naturally, then carefully remove the can and allow it to cool completely before opening. Alternatively, for the oven method, pour the condensed milk into a shallow, oven-safe dish. Cover it very tightly with aluminum foil to prevent any water from seeping in. Place this dish into a larger baking pan. Fill the larger pan with hot water, creating a water bath that comes halfway up the sides of the smaller dish. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 to 2 hours, checking water levels periodically. Once your caramel is made, whether by pressure cooker or oven, it's crucial to let it cool completely before opening. This ensures a safe and perfectly set caramel. After opening, give it a good stir to achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. Store your homemade caramel in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. It's fantastic for drizzling over desserts as a dip or as a delightful filling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.